that again goes to your cardiovascular system. And in the long run, it's even possible that you get cancer because your immune system is not anymore recognizing the cancer cells.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So it's not just there's a clock in the brain that regulates sleep-wake cycles and circadian rhythms via light entering the eye. There's actually clocks basically in every tissue and organ system, and they need to be synchronized together, which should make intuitive sense to people, right? Like you want to be digesting your food at a certain time and not other times. You want to be obviously sleeping at night, and you want your immune system to be up, maybe your digestion to be lower, and so on and so forth. And when you're in an artificial light environment and you mess up that central clock, it's leading to the desynchronization of clocks in all of the different organ systems of your body, which is just going to generally cause things to be inefficient and problematic.
Exactly.
What do you think are the simplest ways that people can ensure all of their clocks are sort of in tune and synchronized? Is the key thing just to try and have a consistent schedule every week, going to bed at a similar time? Is it effective to use tools like blue light blockers and things like that? Should people be thinking about that stuff?
I think they should. I think the best system is indeed take as much light as you can during the day to really synchronize your clock, and as little light during the night. For example, blue light blockers in screens, of course, can help, but that's not all. You should also probably time your food intake, not eat throughout the entire night. Just time it to certain times. Don't eat so late, because if you have your greatest meal just shortly before midnight, you will not sleep well, and it also disturbs your circadian system. What also helps to synchronize is exercise. So if you are active outside the best during the day, that would also help. Don't do it at night. You can do it at 8, but perhaps not later at night. So all this keeps your clock and your body in synchrony.
Interesting. Is there anything you want to reiterate from what we discussed today about the new study or just about circadian biology generally? Any final thoughts you want to leave people with?
Oh, no, probably you have to help. At the moment, I don't.
Well, I mean, I think what you said was actually just was a great way to end it. But it also, I think one takeaway that I think really jumps out from that new paper is the result that, in the case of the menstrual cycle patterns that you saw, things really started to change around 2010. And that's just, I think, one of many indicators that the blue LEDs coming onto the scene really do change our biology, and people should be mindful of that, whether it's a woman thinking about her menstrual cycle regularity or anyone thinking about their sleep-wake cycles and just their general health. The artificial blue light dominant environment is a really big factor there.
Yeah, that's absolutely well summarized. Thank you.
Well, this was fascinating. Thank you for your time, especially given that we had to synchronize our schedules because you're on the other side of the world in Germany. So I appreciate that. And I look forward to talking to you again at some point.
Yeah, thank you very much. It was very interesting for me, and it was nice to talk about the science.
Visit mindandmatter.substack.com to find all of my content.